Hey, I just ordered this thing, and I got a pretty dirty grill here. We're gonna see if it holds up and works like it's supposed to. This is a pretty beefy size grill brush. This is my old one, just a regular steel bristle or whatever. You can see there's a big size comparison difference on how much surface is going to cover at a time. Plus, I've heard a lot of stories recently about those little bristles coming off and getting in your food and ending up in your stomach and really hurting people. So we're going to try, well, we're going to throw that thing away. So we're done with it, because now we got this thing, and it's not going to do that because these are continuous coils. And I think that's one of the reasons they were actually designed, to kind of fix that problem. So let's see how, this is a code grill, so we'll see how that works out. Alright, so let's see how this thing does. Alright, well, one-handed, loading the camera so this grill's going everywhere. I mean, it's definitely doing some cleaning. And that's what matters. And this is a code grill. It's been baked on here for a while, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to pause the camera and try it without the grill going all over the place, and then also once the grill heats up, we'll get it knocked out. Alright, well, I think it got everything pretty good. Just as good as my other one, if not a little better. So I gotta say, I kind of like it. One thing cool about this is the old metal one, you're always having to go this way with the grate no matter what, basically. At least that's always the only way I could get it to work. This thing, because I guess the way it's curled, you can actually go across the grate. So, I don't know. It's kind of neat. And it does seem like actually it works a little better like that across the grate. So, there we go. I gotta say, I like it. Nice large surface. Easy to use, does its job, and shouldn't end up with any little pieces of metal in my food or in my body. So, it's always a plus. Cool little grill brush here.